If you've seen our Bloom by Craftamo brushes before, you probably know them as watercolor stars. But here's the thing, they're just as good with acrylic paints. Today, I'll show you 4 easy acrylic flowers you can paint with a wedge brush. We'll start with the sunny sunflower. Load yellow on one side and yellow-orange on the other for natural variation. Use a press and flick motion to form long petals all around the center. Fill the middle with dark brown. Then, tap in some light brown for texture. Once the center dries, add a few overlapping petals for extra depth. For cherry blossoms, load pink and white on the brush. Make 5 short, rounded petals with light pressure. Cluster multiple blooms together for that full spring look. For a poppy, load red and orange on the brush. Use wide and loose strokes for petals. They should look delicate and a bit irregular. Keep the petals uneven, because poppies look best when they are a little wild. Add a black center. Dot small white or green highlights around it for contrast. Hydrangeas are all about clusters. Load light blue and lavender for variety. Then, paint tiny 4-petal shapes using a quick press and leaf strokes. Group them tightly together and fill gaps with smaller petals for fullness. Add a few lighter petals over darker ones for a soft, layered effect. Which of these flowers are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and keep your wedge brush ready because we got more tutorials coming soon. Happy painting!